Ever wondered how to upload GIS data quickly and correctly for your mapping project? Whether you're working on urban planning or environmental studies, MAPOG supports multiple file types to help you build maps quickly and precisely. Go to thestory.mapog.com. Click Create New Map to start your project. Add basic map information. Enter a title and short description for your map. Click Save. Access data upload options from the sidebar. Click Add/Upload Data. You'll see 4 choices: Vector Files, CSV/Excel files, Existing files, and GIS Data Library. To upload vector files, click Upload Vector File, then browse to find your file. If using Shapefiles, zip these 4 components together. .shp, geometry, .shx, index, .dbf, attributes, .prj, projection. With KML and GeoJSON 15+ GIS formats are supported here, which can be uploaded directly. Use vector files for mapping features like roads or land parcels. To upload CSV or Excel files, click Upload CSV/Excel file and select your .csv, XLS, or XLSX. Specify latitude and longitude columns, or use WKT geometry format. Best for location data like surveys or reports. Preview before saving. To add existing files from other projects, click Add Existing File. Select from your saved MAPOG layers. Great for reuse and collaboration. You can also use MAPOG's GIS data library by clicking on GIS data, select your region, and browse thematic layers like roads, schools, or rivers. Add directly to your map by Add-on Map option. To view and manage layers, click the Layers tab, top right, to rename, style, export, or delete layers. You can share and collaborate. Using the Preview and Share option, you can choose public or private preview, and share your map link. Invite others to contribute. Uploading your GIS data correctly sets the stage for powerful mapmaking. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more MAPOG guides. Contact us at support@mapog.com and find additional contact details in the video description. Thank you for mapping with MAPOG.